In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blade on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take the wiper blade, pull it up a little bit. Then there's two little tabs under here. You want to grab those tabs, push them in, and then this slides out just like that, and it rocks right out. You want to grab your new wiper blade, and this little tab on the end here is going to go in the front part of the blade. Slide that in, and then you can squeeze the tabs a little bit and lock those in place and put the wiper down. And you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.